Hi everyone, John Cleese here with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and we're back at the Gaslight Lane property. And if you followed our videos for a while in our postings, you've been with us from the very beginning when we put this in as plugs just, what, 2 years ago, I think, Brianna? This is the second summer or third summer? I don't know. We'll figure that out. It'll be down below. She'll correct me. But the design intent here, this is what I wanted to talk about this. This was really for a meadow. So everything is coming in. It looks a bit jumbled, but one thing I do know about native plantings, when you're mixing up the plantings, of course, always soil and light appropriate, they do go through sort of a sorting process. So I've always found that years 2 and 3 can look a bit messy before everything sort of settles into its own place. But it's really coming in very well. Unfortunately, they've lost their big beech trees here after they built the house. But as I said, more sun for the meadow. But you can see a lot of the rosin weed is blooming. We have a lot of the Prairie Coneflower. You've got Prairie Dropseed, which is always a great little plant. But I wanted to show you on this side, this is just a gorgeous patch of spotted bee balm. It's a different type of bee balm, very much likes it sandy and dry. And to me, it looks like little tops of pineapples. I just find it's just beautiful. And I don't know why, but I seem to have stopped putting it in gardens because a lot of my gardens have irrigation from the lawn folks and it's just too wet. But on this property, they've cut back a lot on the irrigation and it's done really, really well. The other thing I want to talk about here is the design intent of this side. It was inside the circle of the driveway, so I tried to keep it low. But for a lot of people, what I'm finding in my experience is they really like these sort of lower relief areas of the smaller grass. Here we have carex grasses. You could also use prairie dropseed grass, but it gives a little bit of relief from all the somewhat of a chaoticness of native plants, or any plants in that general, right? Unless you're talking about cultivated plants that are meant to be moundy. As you can see from this side and that side, native plants get very high. So my new strategy moving forward, especially in these residential projects, is to put a lot more sweeps of the lower grasses in front of the native plants, just to bank them a little bit more in the back. And in fact, I want to thank Midwest Ground Covers over in St. Charles, Illinois. Great demonstration over there with their native plant gardens, and that's one of the strategies that they use. So I'm going to adopt it. So again, my name is John Cleese. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll follow us on YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and all those great places. But of course, the website has a lot of information on native plants as well. So chat with you soon.